Yo guys, in this video I will be explaining how you can add a player object, and we will also be adjusting our camera position so it's behind our player. So let's just get right into it. So as we saw in the previous video, we added a ground object, which is our cube here. We want to rename it right here on the top to ground, so we can actually see that this cube is our ground. Look, so now the name changed. So let's add a 3D object, a cube, and this will be our player. Let's reset its position and let's drag it up a bit. You can see down here that it's coming above the floor. Let's press F and let's zoom in on it. All right. Now, this will be our player, so let's already give him a name, player. Boom. Now what do we want to do? We don't want a white player on a white floor, because that would be really annoying for the eyes. Let's give them a color, but how do we do that? Well, if you go down here in your project, you can go to assets, yeah, and right mouse click on it, create a folder. And let's make a folder for material. Alright, now we have a material folder in here. Let's go in it. And then you see this folder is empty. So let's right mouse click, create a material. Now where's the material? Here. Okay. So beneath the audio mixer is the material. Yeah, click on it and let's call it player. What you need to do now is click on it and drag it onto the player. And now if you go into the player, we should see oh yeah, we didn't give it a color. Alright, so go into your material, click on it, and then here in the inspector you can click on this little white box and let's give him a red color. Boom. And now you can see the color of the player changes. You can choose the color you want, like you can also choose blue or purple or whatever you want, but I'm gonna give him a red color right now. Okay, so now what? We want to make a game where our player has to dodge balls. So let's drag him to the back, because the balls will come from far away and he has to dodge them like this. Okay, so now you can see here on the bottom screen is the screen that your player will see. Now this is not what we want our player to see, so let's give him like a better view position. Let's select our camera by left clicking, drag this up a bit, drag this forward a bit, and now this is also not the position we want it to be. So let's go to this tool, the rotation tool. You can also press E to go to the rotation tool. Right, press F to focus on the camera. Now we want our camera to look down on the player. So let's select this red circle around the camera and drag it down. And you can see right here that it's a better view. Like this is way better to see as a player's perspective. All right. So now we are ready to start coding our player, which we will do in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Bye.